Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the ad. We're going to be looking at the tools. So obviously we're going to be skipping to the tools. If you want to help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button, that enables us to buy more tools, make more tool reviews for you guys, more videos like this, and more videos like, putting tools together. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got we're Lowe's.com here. It says valid through 6/1 through 6/17, pretty much fresh. We got it says Lowe's for pros, introducing Lowe's job. What is that? I can't read it. That yellow. Be on the job without being at the job. So they do have like they do offer like credit cards and I believe they do have like an app that help you guys out. It says access argument video chat, lets you remotely diagnose issues, repairs, identifies as an order and more without having to be at your customer's home. See what customers sees through your phone, computer, guide customer withdrawing points. So they're obviously they're using technology to help out and to get more professionals out there to Lowe's and easier on that work. So we get free paint trial, see Pro Desks. So they do have a free paint thing that they're going on now. Let's move to the tools. This is what we came for. We got Cobalt 24 Max XTR. This is a new line of Cobalt tools. If you guys haven't noticed, there's a new line out. Up to 50% extra performance. Guys, these are most like an upgraded version of the current Cobalt that we have had before. This is the professional level. I would say they're targeting the professionals with this line of tools, and it's the same battery. It's the same battery, but they do offer the new high output batteries. The bigger, I believe, 21. The bigger cells. We got buy one get one free. It says you buy select Cobalt 24 volt Max XTR power tool at $149, and you get the free battery for $59.98. value. So you get a free battery once you buy a tool for $149. It's a great deal there. Definitely recommend that for you guys. This is a real powerful tool. These are great tools. They're kind of like the up the game to DeWalt here. Buy one get one DeWalt 20 volts bare power tool starting at $129. Get a free 20 volt max 3 amp hour power tool battery starter kit. So you get a battery and a charger with any of the tools. You got a buy one Bosch select power tool 18 volt bare tool power tool. So you got your choice any of these two, and you get a free battery and a charger. It's definitely a great deal there. You got a Spider professional grade products engineered, last longer, cut fast, make jobs easier, $8.98. And then me personally, I'm not really a fan of Spider. It just depends. These are more budget friendly type of thing. These might be better. Who knows? Yeti available Lowe's. Yeah, they do have Yeti sales. Got what is this? A bucket? $24.99. No way. This is a Rambler A. This is $24.99. You got a Yeti 30 ounce Rambler, $34.99. So it's B right here. Then C, $49.99. That's this. And then $39.99 for the bucket. And you got the Yeti Go Box 30. And then you got all the Tundra Hall chest cooler for $3.99. It's kind of expensive, but they are the higher quality. You got Lowe's for Pros, loyalty program, introducing benefits for the pros. Personalized offers, track spending, purchases, business management tools. Sign up today. I don't know if you guys know, but I do own a business. I own a pest control company. It's a small company. It's just myself. I'm not rich or anything. It's just me working by myself. I was planning on getting something like this and see if it helps me out with my business. Anyways, that's it. I guess here we got product details, service offering. Okay, that's the details, I guess, about the credit card. Anyways, that's it for today. Those are the sales the current sales that they have. Like I said, short video, just straight to the point. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe if you want to help out the channel so we can buy tools like this. and make some tool videos, make some test videos, put them to the test. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.